Welcome to my channel ZHackixh. Today we'll learn about Gmail, how to use Gmail while offline. Go to setting and here you can see offline, advanced themes, offline, enable offline storage using 31 MB or 7 GB available for offline mail on your computer. Store emails for the last 7 days, 30 days, 90 days. Download attachments. And for security purpose there are two options: keep offline data on my computer or remove offline data from my computer. You have to read both of them very carefully. You can't just save your all data on internet cafe computers if you have a secured or private data, if you know what I mean. So by selecting the required option, you can save the changes and you can access your Gmail even if there's no internet, no Wi-Fi. Okay, thanks. Subscribe to my channel.